Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect Cash App and Zelle, so let's get right into it. Now, Cash App and Zelle are two completely different financial management systems and they themselves aren't compatible with one another. That meaning that you cannot connect and directly send funds from Zelle to Cash App and vice versa. So if you want to do exactly that, then sadly it's not possible. However, there is a workaround which I will be covering on this WikiHow article because I don't have access to Cash App and I'm pretty sure I don't have access to Zelle either in my region, so it's kind of the best I can do, so I hope you guys don't mind. But there is a workaround which you can use, and that is pretty much just connecting your bank account or your debit card to both Cash App and Zelle, and you can then use them sort of as middlemen to send the funds from one app to another. Now, again, they are completely different financial platforms, so you need to have a middleman. So what you need to do is link your bank account or debit card to Cash App. Open Cash App up, tap the profile icon in the top right, scroll down until you see linked banks, tap on that, tap link bank, then tap continue, and just log into your bank account and you should be good. You can also connect your debit card in the same way. Now you're going to need to do the same for Zelle. Just go up and through the settings in Zelle, just connect the bank account you wish to use as the middleman to Zelle and you should be good. Not 100% sure on how you can do this for Zelle, but it is what it is. And then you can transfer the two in between one another. Now, to transfer from Cash App to Zelle, what you're going to need to do is go into your balance by tapping on the Money tab, tapping Cash Out, then enter the amount that you want or select it, then select a deposit speed, enter your PIN or Touch ID to confirm and tap Done. As for deposit speed, instant costs you a small fee. However, standard does take more time, so use whichever you would like. If you are in a hurry, use the instant one and pay the couple of cents that you need to pay for the transfer. Other than that, to transfer from Zelle to Cash App, you're going to need to wait for Zelle payments to finish pending, then check your bank account to confirm the new balance you've withdrawn from Zelle, open Cash App, go into Money, click on Add Cash, enter or select an amount, tap Add, enter the PIN or use Touch or Face ID to confirm and tap Done, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.